Hello, OVEC teachers. Neil Anderson here once again. A quick video about how to use bookmarking in your web browser and how to do some copy and pasting with a Chromebook. So bookmarks are part of your web browser settings. So if you click the three dots on the top of your browser window and you go to bookmarks, one of the things that I like to have done is make sure that Show Bookmarks bar is checked. So once you do that, the bookmarks bar is right up here, and you can see that I have some bookmarks saved. Now, if I want to bookmark, say, my Office 365 login, like this. So this is where I'll be going for Office 365. And of course, I'm already logged in that way. But if I wanted to make sure that this is saved, I just simply click it. Now my fingers is clicked down so that it's holding on the touchpad, and I'm actually dragging with a second finger. So I've clicked with my first index finger, and I'm dragging with my second finger with the touchpad. And I just release it right there, and I've got that bookmark saved in my bookmark bar. If I go beyond what you can see, there'll be a drop down right here, and it'll start saving in that drop down bar. Or you can also create a folder like this one right here. And so this one's got some bookmarks saved as well. So if you wanted to create a folder right there, you'd hover over where there's a blank spot, and we'd right click by doing two separated fingers on your touchpad. Gives you the right click option, and you can add folder. And when you add that folder, I'm going to just call this one More, for instance. So now I can see that I've got More right there. So if I wanted to drag and organize some of these extra bookmarks into the More folder so that my bookmarks are more organized, I can do that just by dragging it into the More folder there. And I can clean up my bookmarks a little bit. So now if I click that More, you can see that there's some things that are instantly accessible from the More folder. That's just a quick tutorial on bookmarking and a little bit about copy and pasting. So if I highlight, and again, I'm clicking with one finger and I'm dragging with another on the touchpad to highlight, and now I'm two finger clicking to copy. So I can copy that. And again, I can right click by two fingers separated on the touchpad and paste. So that's a paste, right click and paste. Now, for those of you using the keyboard shortcuts in a Windows machine, that still applies. So if I use Control V, that's going to work as well. Control V gives me the same option. So again, that's just holding the Control key down and at the same time pressing the letter V. Control C gives you the copy ability, just as it would as a Windows machine. So that's a quick on copy and paste and bookmarking. And please reach out to N. Anderson at ovec.org if you have more questions on that. Thanks so much.